Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by powering off the QuietComfort 35 and placing it on a soft cloth. This protects finishes while you work. Next, locate the seam where the ear cushion meets the cup and use your thumbs to pry gently and evenly. Don't yank one corner. If the cushion feels glued, briefly warm the seam with a hair dryer in 10-15 second bursts to soften adhesive. This makes detachment smooth and reduces risk of tearing. Once the edge releases, peel the cushion away around the full circumference and set aside. Now focus on the mounting ring and any foam liner you removed. Keep track of their orientation so reassembly matches the original alignment. Inspect the plastic ring for small tabs or clips and clean residual adhesive and debris using a lint-free cloth with 70% plus isopropyl. This ensures a flat surface for bonding. Take your new cushion and line up its ring to the headphone's tab slots. Once aligned, press gradually around the circumference so each clip engages without bending the ring. To finish, press the new cushion into place, working in small sections and using even pressure until you hear or feel each clip seat. Make sure there are no gaps and the foam sits centered. Once fully seated, power on the headset and test audio, microphone, and noise cancellation. Listen for balance and unexpected rattles. If sound is muffled or cushion feels loose, reseat it or apply thin adhesive strips to the ring. Avoid excess glue that can seep into the speaker. If issues persist, check clip damage and replace the mounting ring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.